Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So probably this will be my the last tutorial for this whole course and hope you are going to learn it from this. So here we are going to create a presentation with the help of AI. Till now we have created the presentation slides by ourselves. Now I am going to leverage this opportunity to create the presentation. So how you are going to do? First of all, I have taken the advantage of the ChatGPT and I have given the prompt as give me a good prompt for making a presentation on the topic of create, include history and its origin, also include image to be added, and its prompt need very colorful presentation accordingly, please provide me the prompt. Okay, now the chat gpt has created a very good nicely prompt, and now we are going to copy it from here. By this pressing this button you are going to copy it. Now I went to the new chat and the explore gpts, and after that I went to the slides and presentation. You can directly search it by manually also. Now we are going to click on the start chat and our chat is getting created. Now already I have did the same thing, so let me showcase you how I have created the presentation. Okay, so not to waste the time, and I have pasted all the prompt to the chat. This explore gpt, which is for slides and presentation, which is for ppt and powerpoint presentation. Now he wants to confirm that do you want slide 10, 11 or 12, you want to just provide outline or image prompt, or each slide or one by one. So I told that yes, I need 10 slides, enrichment is also required, provide the full ppt. Now he has prepared, it has prepared the very good content with different headings and the few text available. With that you can directly utilize this available text to your presentation also. And also it has created few of the images, right? You can see that different kind of images it has captured from globally. You can see total out of currently I'm saying only 9, but total 120 images it has looked for. And after that the presentation is ready. Now if I click on this, our presentation was ready. Now you can see that the presentation it has created with the introduction, few text also written, and now somehow I don't know why, but it has not pasted any of the images. So I again went back to the slides, and I have tell them I was not able to download the ppt, no images available in the attached version, please add it. Okay, so it has created few of the images by himself, like total ai generated image. You just look, I am providing only few prompts and it is creating a very good stunning image, and at the end also the presentation. But currently due to the restriction web format and jpg it has been converted, but right now my model is not able to support me as a free, so I may need to utilize the different model. But what I am going to do, if you give a prompt after 1 days, give me a full ppt, right? And let me press the enter. Due to the limitations I was not able to get the presentation, but I hope you got the process how you can create the presentation. Okay, just wait for a minute, let me press the okay. See, currently it is not able to generate the images, but what I am see, my model will be free limit will be utilized, so it will be active tomorrow, so I cannot able to proceed with that. But with the yes, you can proceed. Okay, so right now it is not helping, but by this way you can create a wonderful presentation, or also you can download the images and you can paste it over here to complete the presentation. So I hope you like this. And now we are going to utilize another tool which is called as app.presentations.ai, and I have pasted the only important prompts which I have generated in the chat GPT. I want only, let's assume that I want only 5 slides. You may have to log in over here, and I am clicking on the generate presentation. Okay, now you see that this tool which is as a presentations.ai will be very useful to create the presentation. And this is another tool. See, earlier we explored the gpts which are available in the chat gpt, okay, and now I am utilizing this presentations.ai, one of the website which will be giving us this result with they have the ai facilities. So let us wait for few minutes and our presentation will get ready. See, now our slides are getting ready. It is taking out few of the important images, okay, and you see that this is our first slide, this is our second slide with origins, how and when the cricket was initiated. Also it has added good small buttons like images and different small text. Also it has added the charts, okay. And now the fifth slide. So likewise you can, after that, once you create the presentation, you can export it by clicking this button. And also if you want to add or edit anything, you can edit it from here. So I hope you like these sessions. By this way you can create the stunning PowerPoint presentation with the use of AI. You can bring the text, you can create the AI generated images. Also you can create whole presentation from the chat gpt, and also you can leverage the tools available for presentations.ai. I am not promoting or anything over here. This is just for information how you can create the presentation starting from scratch. You just have only one topic like cricket, and whether you have the available prompt or not, you can take it the prompt from the chat gpt or any ai tool, and which you can and you can copy that prompt to the PowerPoint presentation or AI generated PPT and paste it to create the presentation. So I hope you have enjoyed this whole course, and see you soon. Happy learning.